Hey everybody, check out what I have here. I have the G5 Pro by Machenike. And let's open this up and I'll show you guys what's inside and how it will work. So here we go. Oops, something fell. I don't know what. I'm gonna guess it was a charging cable, but I don't know where it is. Oh, it's right here. So this, yeah, it was the charging cable. It looks like it's gonna charge from USB to USB-C. And then we have in here also, we have some stickers if you want to put those on, and we have the manual here. Okay, and here, this is what we get inside of it. So we're going to have a little dock, which is going to be for charging purposes, I am sure. And here we go. So it'll be like this, and then it'll be USB-C to be charging it, and I guess it has a little USB out if you need that as well. And then we have our remote, which is a nice looking white remote. And it even comes with, what's this piece here in the middle? This is going to be a USB dongle, so you can connect this up into your computer, so you can connect it up through the computer. And then this is what the device looks like here. Feels nice and strong and solid and good. Machinike, it looks really cool. It's got like that see-through cover on it. And then when you want to charge it, you can just put it on this little charging dock here like that, and that'll just be charging it. So how cool is that? Super easy to charge and take off and put on, so I can just play my computer games with this device here and just have it super easy and accessible. And as long as I have this dongle in my computer, it's a USB dongle, I'll be connected. So very cool. So really nice, and it feels really good. So this will be great for any of you gamers out there that like need some a new controller or want to just play with the different gaming device. So super neat. Let's see if I turn it on. I mean, you can see the little lights are lighting up. Oh, there's a bunch of lights all over it, kind of lighting up. Very cool. Looks cool. So really neat. So very nice little setup here by Machenike. So super cool. Thumbs up for sure.